In order to keep your refrigerator running efficiently, you will need to defrost it regularly. Over time, ice may build up in the freezer compartment. You might also notice ice on the evaporator plate. This ice can interfere with the refrigerator's ability to maintain a constant temperature. Also, the thicker the ice, the longer it takes to defrost, so regular defrosting will save you time in the long run and minimize the amount of time vaccines spend outside of the refrigerator. How do you know when to defrost? To prevent ice buildup, be sure to defrost the refrigerator on a regular schedule, usually once a month, or when the ice is more than half a centimeter thick, whichever comes first. Consider defrosting while supplies are lower, perhaps just before the arrival of more vaccines. Now, we will look at how to defrost. There are 6 basic steps to defrosting and cleaning a vaccine refrigerator. First, move all the vaccines and diluents to another refrigerator or to a cold box or vaccine carrier lined with conditioned ice packs. Next, turn off the power source. For a mains or solar battery refrigerator, switch off the electrical supply. Or, if you have a gas refrigerator, turn off the gas supply. For a kerosene refrigerator, extinguish the flame. Then, leave the door open and wait for the ice to melt. This could take a few hours, depending on the ambient temperature and the thickness of the ice. Never try to remove the ice with a knife or ice pick. This can permanently damage the refrigerator. If you want to speed the process, you can place a pan of boiling water on a folded towel inside the freezer and close the door. Once the ice has melted, clean the inside of the refrigerator and door seal with a clean, damp cloth. Allow the clean parts to dry completely. Then, restart the refrigerator. Do not adjust the thermostat to speed up the cooling process. Check to see that the temperature in the main section falls to 8 degrees Celsius or lower, but not less than 2 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is correct, you can arrange the vaccines, diluents, and water packs back in their appropriate places in the refrigerator. Sometimes, ice in a refrigerator may build up quickly, requiring defrosting more than once a month. If that happens, check for these common problems. Is the door being opened too often? It should not be opened more than 3 times a day. Is the door not closing properly? Something may be blocking it or the hinges may need to be adjusted. Can you feel cold air escaping? If so, the door seal needs to be replaced. You can check for the gap between the cabinet and lid seal by placing a paper strip between them. Normally, the paper strip should resist pulling. If it can be pulled out freely, there is a gap. Now that you know the basic steps for defrosting, your refrigerator can efficiently maintain the vaccines at the correct temperatures.